bagane
sa mbe moy kan bakela mbadingol ñinom taborati minna ko be internet ko no jang mi di jang tabora sorry mbe live le sorry mbalal ma foy ko mbe live le ha
yeah no problem mbe mo be kontone ni be live gambe no mo be na voice o moy kan mbe mo be kontone min fana be live
okay italom taborati ya ngadi am tabora sisele ko di
yeah tabora sisele
okay tabora comme ngaka tariyaki dorong mo jamale beji be kam mbadi ngol tabora bal be kontona ñin non taborati mike ba tabora atelen scam so sañ kake ku tariya ngoti rek o tabora network ko man betiya nak mbadi ngol album bala network ko man betiya network ala network ko man betiya tabora
hello
ya ila network ko man betiya nak
ngo network ko pori la beda min jamma ko network ko pori bi bagale dula ñini network ko soto jede no problem so in 5 minutes tempo na credit ko activate after ñe call back number
call back okay no problem okay mbadi ngol nga tabora soto janne sañ aka credit ko ñine update rek ay nan call back ko tenke jannin tabora binala nan kutubo tabora jitale ba nanata ngal at ko tenke okay
hello assalamu
alaikum salam kutubo
ya ko bo ni mbaro
anko tabora jitale na selta nan ko ten ngal selendina yama
okay problem dara sira nyaw ya
ngani audio mbadi ngol al screen ma tabora bina fina alimbala ngasira na fina let me bring Sira on ngasira nyini ka question on guys I'll after 200,000 300,000 500,000 I'll screen ma
hello Shadi
Uncle Mike is coming for me hello assalamu alaikum Sira
wa alaikum salam Shadi
ibe nyari
be
nyari kortan
ara do be nyadi
suto bijang madam kan okay Sirambe jini lambe tala ko fenke vela wa kolla tabora ba kolla okay mbadi mo tabora nata murun nane
hello
tabora
yeah ngalum bala lene to ko la man dara beti ari mbake wala na mboka nyo
kan okay janni neto ko bida comme tariya kare kana ma manjari mo kontonna explain more le bang be bula le dia mo ite explain in mag bente nyaadi le cool tata nyaadi le foy futata bari mbe interject la sometime ke nyinin ka so ite explain mo be tele batu kan kabirin wularo pour yana ya explain mine ite ni hello ya mbe moy kam mo be moy kam
moy kam
mo be moy kam everybody is hearing you
okay
so comme mbe bula le diam bari sometimes mbe nyini kala question wala explain bang ini make ñu lo nyaadi le yeta from there you go there ila je no sita bakele na
yeah comme like Mike mom tani Mike mit the Facebook holder yeah understand yeah and then Mike mit the Facebook or time min
his number Briggs Yamina mean his number I don't understand hello
malam febe moy kan ba
sain ke moy le it disappear number sai na ramuru nan
yeah ga fa ni Mike ben the Facebook holder around 2018 nil ma fa ya understand ni Mike benda inda to kono by that time le but ndani Mike le dongo ko ngatre non te ko over doyari ne ko ya understand
ini Mike le be ngata ibe over doyari ne ibe sangi jelle na jello iya jimala wori
yanyinta ndare membe no la nak but 18 years kay mo soto nak ni Mike le dongo
ima 18 years soto
yeah kino mo soto nak
okay
yeah so ni Mike bendale after kacha
okay barima 18 soto ima hello yeah imang 18 soto then ya Facebook yele nyaadi de
tawe nga Facebook yele nda famole Facebook create because by the time atara nga school start le so about phone sabiri me daring kay mum funo kay mo understand journal internet more understand back and but phone no understanding
bari yaro
so
nimang 18 soto ibuka Facebook yele no
ibuka yele no fo so mto nyaldi kay
so ye ite Facebook yele nyaadi wota me ma 18 soto
nga 18 de ndim fango yiji
okay ya false fenkol kaji okay
ye nga false le kaji etine de ndim fango yiji so then ni mic mitale
iwuluta iyeji male
ndawuluta 2001
wow so 2001 to 2018 obakala jeli yese 2001 to 2018
hello
yeah
bilalim bala le network ko porin bakale
ila network ko pota bakala ya
network ko porin wala nakatala na China because me besrin dam
okay so ina start fenko tatondi Facebook layer continue
na mit Facebook oldo so ngakacha after but nakacha mang like nakacha mang think back come mbuko kacha back like how are you long I'm doing good o kacha sibal na ko wala soto ya understand so after mbije afanna la kacha na da kala ya understand
ini mag jimala follow you at Facebook atelete ad fetelate ad
hello
ko ni mag jimala follow you at Facebook itelate ad bam fatelete ad
no Mike lenda follow on Facebook ndama Mike follow
atele follow okay no problem yeah
Mike lenda follow because of nga picture min post ako football like la understand aka football like la so atele follow on Facebook
Libya yar fan Gambia la fango fese yata Libya ti yetara Gambia network ko yetara Libya yetara network ko soto al nga murun Gambia woto alton ba Libya al murun Gambia al murun Gambia Libya buka network ko soto al murun Gambia can you try calling direct ladies call direct go kala no nyaadi
ko mbalal ba ngajam fa nga findi silo ka ñi call number ki no bes wala kono fa neto ko betela silo ka nefa ñi call number
okay do that okay mbaray woke ay na munu nang but lafta janna bina da nga jano player
because the advances towards Tabora, but Tabora never asked you to send money to him.
That's okay, but no, I'm not talking about the money. I'm talking about the exploitation.
But you said,
open your mind. He said, Gambians will always be good for you. For your career, for you to conduct. Let me say something to you.
No. Let me talk. No. I will let you talk. I want to tell you this because you have.
You give me a chance to talk.
Yeah, I will give you a chance to talk because you have no evidence that you've built a house. Number one, you don't have any evidence. Number two, you don't have any evidence that you send the 15,000 to Tabora. And number three, the last one I want to say. Is that
tell people I exploited a 16-year-old boy. Listen to me. Let me say whatever I want to say because I have the right as a human being to say whatever I want to say. Like Tabora is saying everything. You don't question Tabora. He told.
Question Tabora. Wait. Now. I'm gonna end this because you are not being fair with me. You made me to talk to Tabora to question him. You give me question that what I am going to ask because I asked him all the questions you told me to ask him. He answered. What I supposed not to do, I even did it for you. I brought answers what Tabora said. I brought you answers. You are not fair to me.
That's okay. That's okay. But when you confront to me...
Right now, you are not being fair to me. You told me to ask Tabora questions, and I asked Tabora questions, and he answered.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wait. I even came back to give you what the answers Tabora gave. I should not do that. I should not do that, but I brought these answers to you, and when I'm asking you questions, you feel offended. That means that there is something you are hiding.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, are you thinking I'm hiding something?
Yeah, because if I ask you, you get agitated, you get angry with me. Oh,
that's your opinion. That's your opinion. I understand. I accept it.
The German said, the Swiss said, the Holland said, I should not talk with Gambians. That's their problem. Not my problem.
Yes, because he's saying that live was cited to the Gambians, and they do not accept that. But
yeah, man, somebody mic ke telephone jako. Ite ka tele ko ntela live okay tabora hello yes
ebe mo kana wa
tabora mbe mo kana
ye nga fel nen do ko poti ino wala na mandata nyo mo kan ba kina na janna no
alla ne do ko kay hani gambe se ngamra ni selta yiro kam me bi asabete an hani gambe
la o stress le janga mo mane to ko ko ba kele no
I know alma beso ne yalla alma tambila jila you know
amina
yeah alma tariyala sai
yeah coming explain all like you know Mike benda by the time le so nga kacha but nakachal mang osia ba ya understand so they say the mbiji anatan text because by the time that telephone phone buka kacha phone you know a metal na nta phone la how many months long you know I understand so another call edi sorry I text akonye ko nyanda na Gambia ya understand but ningara maybe mbe around 1 week kele jele ya understand after ngomurung ngai ko okay akonye mbe apartment hotel around Kululi ya understand akonye but ningana mbe iPhone no fele na 11 Pro Max
okay
ngai ko anyway but by the time good communication of mandara natima ya on communication ba mandara natima you know nte bi jere rek en text na cabine Gambia ngai okay no problem
aye text a cabine Gambia
yeah
okay
a cabine Gambia yeah
okay
so after another text you know udiso kono coming abo process ko na kana Gambia after communication ko kunduta natima by the time another sasa
okay
atala foro to Mike la foro yeah another sasa because Mike sasa jamal Mike mental problem so dole you know sasa jamal le Mike bala you know wala fanka Mike jamu ni ta ko modul fo after fo fanka na recruit understand so mbita ka wala nyama
kabiri ni Mike dunda nyobulo akaba mundo kulela
akaba bridge la bridge aka wala lu
aka bridge lelo alila moyde
atela foro la aka bridge lelo
okay
bridge yeah understand so nabo kachala kono after atafongol kan dengi nganden na malu nga Mike daning kay ko Mike la fa enso nyi fenkari la Mike la kalu afanye ko ini tamule la ngaki inde buka fa nga fa no mi am okay ya understand atal ka afanye ko bot ngaje la bunda mam beta bla nga bunda faliye ila funo banna funo se mbadna manu si tengya understand atar kan jiba afanye ko bini tara pile la iwinda mbe solo ko dola like 10,000 7,000 ya understand ngata nga pile nga na ni winda do nga tara pile na ba ko na mol na ba ko la teng wala video teng ni winda fo nga ko do ci ga dinante na ma Mike dan do ndola ka kabilo ko mo ne na malum fon ko tabora ba cendin la na ma jendni Mike len problème ni internet ko kon o tay mo le ma kon daga cendin ki ko tuwa bolo fo ben
tabora mbe murunda ko ma alnata ale diamo ko no nyaadi le fa ko mbe iPhone sanne because Freddy amunda kandaga ngana ko network ko mambeti an ibe koronto ne pour kadiam but lafte ni kala mune ka fo ni ko di ko dum talte because ata tariala wo nyama eje wo nyama reka ko mbatun ka ko do dila mine keta what is the problem
comme nyari me on me moy
comme i ka tariyandi ñaami rek ina bentere rek one time I start ka kolodi la munne tambital tema mun diam le fotal te fo aka nyin kolodi la ka mano se ka dulal ke
non tani mic tema fengo fe man tamin tani mic tema like father like daughter is like son ya understand it
okay
mic and dem role nyama ko and dem ko ma dingo
okay
ako because I dim fula la soto
ha
dim musu fula
ha
I wala soto nis ani melis wala adingol to nis ni melis
nis ani melis
ya understand
lis
ani melis
okay
yeah so will be a bulele will be if a sense and the bamala ya understand
so je explain bam because mic ko atebe futu kanne ite ko mic mantra futu ka network ko tatal ko tembadi ngon ala network ko tatal ko tenke libya ma easy de
that is their problem they can do something about it
right yeah I like that that's their problem that's my problem and that's your problem we all have problems
it's not my problem I don't have any problem
but you don't have any problem you may be okay good but let's say something you do whatever you want to do in your life and I'll leave it to the international since I said to you I'm gay, I live in the international gay community.
Somebody yamule ako since I said to you I am gay. I confirm le. Who confirm that? Alila moy janna de. Alila moy janna de ma fo de. Alila moy.
Your problem. We all have problems.
It's not my problem. I don't have any problem.
Alila moy. Ndema fo de.
But you don't have any problem. You may be okay, good. But let's say something. You do whatever you want to do in your life. And I'll leave it to the international. Since I said to you I'm gay, I live in the international gay community.
Somebody anymore. I kontere ya foko. Wala nanko ibi malula le bide. Wala nanko ibi malula bi bakele. Nko ko bi ni ka malu ibi malula nu bakele bi mbole se fike du manko tenku ni ka malu ibi malula bakele de. Ya jela ko ate fongola fonte ko ate mo woleti. No nyina call buka du ning ala network ama wala soto alngata
gay rights
problem they can do something about it
right yeah I like that that's their problem that's my problem and that's your problem we all have problems
it's not my problem I don't have any problem
but you don't have any problem you may be okay good but let's say something you do whatever you want to do in your life and I'll leave it to the international since I said to you I'm gay, I live in the international gay community, gay rights in every country in Europe. That my sexuality was exposed in the Gambia.
But you exposed
everyone just
you
1 second. No, I did not post. I did not post that I was a gay.
You exposed it yourself. You exposed it
anyway,
yourself.
I exposed it, but I am me. I can expose myself, but not other people.
Yeah, but don't tell people expose you. You exposed yourself. So why should you?
No problem. Someone, I saw someone saying, or I saw someone saying, Mike is a gay. Mike exploited this 16-year-old boy. I saw that. So I leave it to the international gay community
you said
rights. One sec, let me talk, sir. Let me talk. Don't talk over me, please.
No,
listen, because then you don't understand.
Because you don't understand me. You don't want to listen to me.
I'm calling the boy. He don't have network. What do you want me to do? Allah banga selesan I'm trying to call him. He's trying to call me. He don't have a network. What am I going to do?
I'm going to report.
I can also talk like that. I can also do that. So.
1 second. I'm speaking very slowly, the line, so you can listen to me. I'm going to report to the international gay community rights, to judges, the gay judges, because there's a lot of gay judges, gay communities all over Europe.
Somebody, I have a lot of gay judges. I have a lot of gay judges. I didn't say anything. I didn't even put it in his mouth. He is the one confessing to me. Because ntenga diamono yale te ko investigation de ka investigation kede nteka kele pam ngebu se ijisi soto pam ya kam fa yana ya explain ni by force ite fon le ba volante nde ko le ke sambadi nde man kay comme ngata kiskisiro la ha afanya bang ha no nde mo ke nyinna de nde a bulaka ne taw asiso kon mimba asiso kon tonya ni ka tonya mu nyini mobulu ina buka kacha ni ka tonya nyini mobulu ha na boyo ne kanula I love you my brother billahi sambadi nge kanule mala fi ni diamo soto nyosa bo nyosa ni man to fo nde to fo barkata ni la fo nyim fo de contexte kan nga busa dulal to dulami yalon kata fintila noje wala na fo a confesta
United States that I have been a victim of homophobia in the Gambia.
But you've not been in the Gambia. So they're going to tell you, but you've not been in the Gambia. How is that possible? That's not possible.
How is that possible?
That's not possible.
Are you in the Gambia?
That's not possible. How can they? How can they?
Are you in the Gambia?
How can
are you in the Gambia?
You said.
Are you in the Gambia?
Do you listen to yourself?
Well, okay. Let me change like a journalist. I'll change. I was a victim that I am gay. I exploited many Gambians because I need that. I'm telling.
Gambian alila moy may kaka min nyini pour may kala fa fenne kala Gambian la alila moy de ha atula mel konte samadi ntebe Gambian le mako e kande nyimmanki aba tabora fongoti de alila moy may kala fa min kala Gambian la alila moy jere fa
help people.
network ko nyinna mambe ma try kan fala na man try kan ma try kan ne nga may ko le reduce rek bari mba try kan ne hello
suti ko manam fonse voice record yana ba after iso play gali je bang because network ko pour mbagal manam febe moy kan ne fa
hambe moy kan ne but coming net ya voice release yo bulambulu because la fe ñi kan personal la e ka familial so near voice ki for me that's not correct correct because maki amela ko ntebe tele site le nteke tele fasa so lafta Gambia be yalon ko ntebe tonya da male noma andu be ñi kala ko so ñi kamine e ka familial so near voice kinyena near voice kinyena I cannot it's not fair, it's not being fair to Mike even e ka familial
okay
so okay sa mbe ñini kala mina munatinna may ka foyte ake sponsor why just like that alet diamo kumas Facebook rek akoy okay mbe sponsor because he ka football or play for what reason why
not in my kind of model koma dingo
okay
yeah understand akaman dinki soto yeah understand akaman dinki so anda mo da dingo da dimusu fulala boata bulol be musoleti so aman dinki soto so aka enda muda dingol da ka ala muso wala $100,000 later ta understand so wada dim fu
akala muso yala
ala muso $100,000
we wota dile we scam le fo
ako na denta account wala le so ako wol bondal account afet wa dim fulul tay bote tata si Manchester England
where dim floor table wol bo tata si England okay
England so o time wala ko nyeko so la fakete mo den dingolti understand so ntene mag dum de nyuben ntene mo mag dani mag la kan de jibere kan so ko do any amount da dia and so ngata understand hello
Manchester mbe moy kam mo be kan diam rek ngata Gambia awsina alla Manchester yes alla Manchester lomde ala musobi jil dana dingon to find a son in a internet itebe Brazil molbe batari Brazil man tay dinding killing adopte je may kana mol yap hello yeah so akala tekela dingoti so minena take
hello
yeah akala tekela dingoti minena take
akala fa kamura dingolti
okay
understand so Yeah, so na la cool bol nyama, Mike kan de jubayan so kodo lante na buka Mike Dani. Because the mota fa la fang tola ma fang la fang tabora to babo babu le no. Mo na ma lo na man jeni problem o kon tane nen to babo connect ne no.
So ila family
you see
ila family fana mo malo.
Yenna family ke woli alon ne.
Okay.
Yeah, because all kan jele na be jamu gang.
Okay.
In call.
Okay.
But come in pandateng. No. Fana kire na bulti nak. But mo na malam come into bawa bende bulan ka chan kete ne no.
Okay.
Yeah. So ntene mek la call kita wala nyama ino.
Okay.
So in lastly long yal ne a phone kan text nang raf ko like because ntene mek la text bu kasi na la call la kasi adina text message ut.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
so na ko do seni nyana. Andum. Okay.
Kanu ku na ta nyadi dal tema. Libya. Okay, mbatu ngala Sister Soul fana. Hello Sira, Tabora la fenko mambetia ala network ko mambetia.
Yeah, tena bedi amola tenen ala network ko betia.
Network ko katala kana so okay afongo fela na tananga.
Hello. Ayo.
Ha.
La tawato mandi solution. Malal domandi. Asma. Tala. Alim balal domandi.
No.
Tintibi. Ha? Ajira. Wala tawato mandi tolla. Upload. No niya man fa ba ni. La. Kunni kira jema ko la pa. Hello,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Eba mo kaneba.
Mafi fulus. Mafi fulus. Agay mafi fulus. Aywa. Ha, saying Asma ta'ala.
Sula didn't know them disturb kanje, you know.
Okay. But because you banta dami is it secure?
Hello, I'm being American.
Okay. Saying coming ila network ko mambetia and it's very irritating ila network ko mambetia. Sani ini mic la coming ning aka nyimmin fotente ning kanu cool ni nyipego wona dal tema nyadi ne.
No coming like the mic.
Ha.
Ablanga study nam ko ma understand. Yeah, coming time mi na you nabe like I muta dingoti. Yeah, understand. Mboko no mboko na ko nyeko ndi. Ndala musu ko min kenna you know. Ndabo ci wala feeling sort of like ko tanje you know. Yeah, understand. Akada buga ci wala feeling sort of ko tanje ko nyeko nday you know nda man dum mol ko min yalla ngo say wala ka ci wala feeling sort of. Yeah, sorry. Musu wala feeling sort of. Yeah, understand. Ako nyeko ndasa you know ndaka ci wala feeling la sort of. Yeah, understand. So na bolo ko nga ko ci wala feeling sort ko min nyala ko nyeko ha ndafa woni de kan la since kabinda ni mita. Yeah, understand nga like pour kano iter ndani de tima. So mo understand nga ko min nyadi. Ako nyeko ko min like gi system. Yeah, understand. Nga ko okay. Nga gi system nga ndero problem nga because nga me muslim. Yeah, understand because ndata la fongo la baka mic to windi fon tele mic dalen da xani ni mi be fon internet ko no ni man nga tangol teng bismillahir rahmanir rahim ki be karan close brebinas close brem falakino muslima ko ko mic yalla ndala karanda bila because na me ta nyobule no ka jal teng man nga tangol la ya understand.
Somebody life mic ko atele tasabayo sang atele nafo sang anin feko sajado ibamae anin nafo ifamae sali nafo nin sali sajado ateo se ifamae Hello?
Hello.
Ha, yana kumo mo na kodi?
Okay. Yen man ngelo ko mo la ngay ben ngin ka kana about ñing kanu kumu kanu dun tan nak yema ñami right?
Ha, okay, ngable give explain no problem. Yeah.
Okay, so cool tata wol na kata boka ko min like muso ata do muso le feeling soro no akoten. Ngay ko okay, ngay ko boti yalla ne. Ndemu moldi mi anta misil moldi. Andi tala baka tubi miski ka ke misil mo do za ko ntada mal sara tubi no ka ke misil mot. Ya understand. Ngay ko so sen. Ita ba fol no nyaade la ko min like ita ka ke wala feeling la so ita buka muso le feeling soro. Ako nyiko ha like yalla nan tamu geldi. Since what time on the amo fanya num fosse do so dem di yani fa yalla be na tema. Ya understand. Ndemu geldi o sifal to kuma sifal fanya ngay ko may ngay ndeta kino la. So ya wata dafa ka stop ta tema fon. After ne. Ananan tek man.
Stop tal tema.
Ah?
Kacha stop tal tema kabri kay ko ite to kelano kacha stop tal tema.
Kacha stop tan tema le no. Wata dafa mi dafa obi 2 weeks on sil ndani may man communicate kabri wo ko dara ndan tema ina.
Okay.
Hello.
Ha mbe moy kan after mune na take.
Hello.
Ha mbe moy kan.
Okay. So after another text what a kunin tambida almost 2 weeks do tema le woto mon nakaja o ko tambin ko another text akonye ko ha isaki le ya understand de gere na fale ya understand but intani maktale for science fana accept ya understand because I will not hide anything because ndangal am comme like ben right way like ndangal nente kele zigzag ko comme like malam fanga me explain ba understand okay okay no problem ya because lot of people in Gambia minen ko be ngi system will play ka bol ko ndala bol te bana minela ngelo ka ngi system will play about tending kono
so ina
ya understand
kabra fo sontala second time kabra approach second time is sonta pour ka act like a gay yeah
second time kabra en text nan ndaka ngai ko okay mba play ka ni gi system will but without naka kachale like our following I love you but hano time o minan nabo je ko kono but ndaka sama ni like mfama ya karulla ya understand ataka message dol sen intele because mike naka ndem message ni message do 20 message la 20 don 30 mike maybe hande phone maybe about kele ni na start kachar mike naka message 20 message long 30 message
I can message 24 times one time just 1 minute 24 messages
okay good
na I'm
good mike can
al number phone tambuluva
okay I block le mike yal na min be foga bin wuli aldi no mike be fengo son foga ndanya ba be kan be deri ni no
bari mamina
ya on
site ya accept like
okay
ya accept like gate kodi sign so kabrio accept minina take
hello
ya accept like gate ka I love you but na ko I love you fo ite fanan kamne fay na ko I love you kamne fay
okay nada kon I love you nga file thank you nga push a message do kono ya understand nga mi kuma do may ya understand do ndani mic mi to kono mic en daji ko belone mi yala ngo ndaka sama ni mic be to nya fala but yalla mic mangi mi sima to nya fala cristiano lo but ndara mic be to nya fala atan ni right wela mic be ndala kumu abe fengo fem fala abebe kala to nya alti non tala sayda an handela bol fana minu close tanna wol fana ni bentani mic la because ngata ni mic kata ka calna bol wasi ni benna jibe kan ya understand ndani mic la tek ko man
ay ko do le tofo ako pabi jumalon pabi di
pabi yeah he is my friend na friend olong
ako pabi fana mu gelete ay wala fo
Allahu akbar mic be wuli aken senela sudi billahi wallahi tala bonte momo entalon Gambia momo entalon tabora wol be yalla tamanki gidi comme ko dol o mun like no private part ko no private pa bra ajarta nga fo because nda sungulol be ndebul mi ayta banna ya understand tan kefel be dit kande min entalon wala tamanki gidi yende gi nga hitle nyaade like bol ka gi sanko plate ni tuba bol ti mo be yaane
kana fo ya fo kewude janni ba life ko kuntu afo kewude janni ba life ko kuntu
okay no problem yeah understand mike yalla no comme like 100% ala ta mike fongolal 100% comme ndema ngi kewude rata fongolan
bari munana mike yete bari munana mike yete kanu nyamin tendem fo mike kumbo pour minaje le pour te mun gambe but sa jang clair mo le sa ngani ko ko clair
okay
mike ko
okay mi atina okay mi atina Mike comme like a trust andela ayende comme like aka ayende kanule because of akonde ko comme ka advice minna ndana ka tar kacha kana nala family ko mama ndeten ata fango on family ko ten mi adna nala muso ku yara so nga advice Mike be kala ten ebita ten hakilo boni la family gang because I'm under kendering Mike mental problem le bala I also seen kabra ber daring ila fa Mike fala Mike na ko to mal dunda nyola wala fa sud la ka fa o kis o ko ba kono le no so na me do ko mama ne o sa zanin ka mama ngal mentre abo so giri fon ke kan no jenen daga nanan jang abo so giri nje kan ya on sa wande Mike ne kumu dul fa kumul fa ni internet ko no ngaje ko mi le ka lo ko ni ne mama kan bu ka blame ya on daga jala bendel tinya kan on internet no ya understand but hana wono jeni ka wulu ino ngenda fi mo fen sot lay no ale be se fi kundol yeah ya understand internet de wontar rek internet ko no jangam fon senen
bari tondi
malam ko mo senen
no ni ko ni man la internet ke fon senen ya I know but latte ni kala minna ako ate bungole bumfulele wato la korda ko tabora tatale sira okay tabora na
hello
akate bumfule luwato la korda kono
Mike kami foka bungolon tolia Mike be wulia kensen la Mike se bungolon tolia ndola kabilo ko mo nena mo long tabora la bullo ci ke la sokono ndolia mo moy jelong kabirin safa time dima bungol be lorun tolia hanso bungtilon la bi
okay
then no brother stata ka buddolu ya understand yeah sana na bro taraka bundolo Mike nena mo bon ko do kinande ka fande bungolo ya
but akoya scam le because ikay ko inyanta ka title deed le faringi fama la korda inyanta ko to falin ka ke ba ma tala $15,000 so sa ko ke nyadi le
Mike be wuli yalla bela
but
ya kensen
alkalo ya confirm janne ko ida broda tondi kutu tata yale ka put title deed ko falling tenting ate fongo ya kalam dat kutu bole
okay that title deed e ko title o min foden nsa be fo ko min la ka ketenya ya understand because woman na family tineti no need pour explain to la family over warata la ya understand because nintaro tebiko ko no o fana pindita na internet ko no adiamo sinasi maybe internet so chat no on private
okay
yeah understand
okay
because our family is too big for more explaining internet ko no ya understand mo jamal problem mo ga
that's true
yeah internet so ko no on private iba mo kana ba
ambe mo kana but ayo 15,000 o kile ban fama ki
15,000 o make 50,000 o mi foden make 15,000 o senante akonye ko e fango 15,000 o ta ye 2,000 o bondiji ye mani bodo sang ya di fuaro la kabilo kan anda akonye nyame 15,000 13,000 o londe touch 2,000 o ngolo bondiji nga American rice sang ngatala nga di molla ando nga samba dawda ani sama kutubo sidano faji ay be ngininka mano dunda dawda kan kabilo kan fuaro la kutubo sidano faji pichulta a be senia ngino e kamole
hambe moy kan pour ko mol ngininka bang ila ta o mol ngininka bang fo
ha asidano je o mol ngininka because mano ngininga tala mbaliji flakunda ataka flakunda mi use because ndamantara flakunda konkono ndabe jam se estate la kono ya understand
okay
but yeah dulka kili like kunta kinde ya understand because ngal mo juma tulo mo kan be mi fo kan me wuli alla maybe comment section kono mul ba falel
okay Michael ay kodo dira over 200,000 pour ye karambolo committee ni fula kunda community ni
Allah akbar 200,000 ninde o so remana mina ajanne maybe me visa la ngin la ngata flight lay no but ma men sina duma silo lay no
so anene man 200,000 dila
no Mike neno man kodo senente ko mi yang ba da se bi taw ana man so
aka kodo min be spending kunto is over $400,000
abe wuri alla bela Mike kodo min senente 7,000 long 12 taw ha 12 taw comme like Mike ko dindi ngol senente because of Mike what I mo akonyela ko ya understand e ka jimo kele because nene picture post na Facebook to lembe train na ji fengo do o fa ma ngi jimoti no comme ni local fengo mo ka min da te train gala ngol la post na Facebook to sai wala ja like ko ni fe ba like la ka jimoto ngai ko ha sorry mbala lo mo le ben kiligan a minute
no problem Sira
aywa wallahi ma
yeah
Ibrahim ho fi dagan so yan kallan ko rontil nañ yow
so dinke moyle
okay kutubo understand no problem kutubo ka kada salolla Sira sañ ha so sañ coming ye kuma kongol min moy somebody can need am dali right
ha to nyale ayon call
okay sañ like ngamra yela moy somebody la audio la video la le
mala la ko jube lafta jube la bari man na jube because mbado call sorry metro kono atara non findi tambe metro kono kamuruna metro ko nyimma beti bari tango na ta be sotol
ya be sotol so yemune je wodi amol kono mi alon ko ilafta absenen la mol la jang over more 2 kb gb kane plus another site also
okay so the thing is for the meaning ka question on lagi jadi dia mau dah betul ngamre mau ko yo ati ay mun fo ye question on meaning ka be answer yeah
okay I mean for coming like ite ye kulong nyin ko to le coming nyin scamming ite fango dabi jele tubabo ikodo kite nyaadi dalile ya tubabo ikodo kite ite obelonne because tubabo ta kodo kila musiken sangoye o nyama don 3 days le ina di anda kodo ki munekera
okay somebody follow mba fala alama ala yam fulama nte yam fulama wallahi nte yam fulama dunia ko alkiyama ngani ala tunyo man ko kuno ala bari ni rabana mon ko kuno ala so ngatu wala bu
okay
mba fala la dum so ala woto doina war aja halo wartal de soti follow mi ente lo yente ni ndo ko wala no benna hajolanta man time so to non senso la no fate somebody ko interpret ngai ko man time so to non senso la brain ko ngai ntibe do ko la ndaka do ko kele every day amal lungu so to nte buka do ko kamen ninte batata lon ka taraso so nte man time so to nyin dia munda no sanenda la fate ne ata tat so akajimi foten konte mun skamalati matubabu le scam tubabu ñin nente fi na ñin tubab du jambe damento
halafte ñin kala wala tubabu halafte ñin kala tubabu ko ite tata ni tubabu ite ni Senegal yi kemaya foy fuduta la no
so the nte fuduta la meta o pongo que te juna but what is my personal life maybe ngamrambo na later but akami ko nte fututa le benke maya Dakar is a lie enti jemi muto yente ne manke woso to Dakar nte lumen nan tata Dakar wala katana visa dumbi
so ate America
ofanan 2 days go to Dakar den murunta
so ite lo
tata na visa ko binna visa
ate America te kimale yaji kabita Dakar
abe fania lella nyinka fem ko abe fania penti je mi muto nyaati je abe wulia penti je mi muto nyaati nte ning tara mi foko atele te sene njan sai mela fila munna somebody ngal na hanna man tara la real account to dena bala fake account to la bella moika tubabo nyiem tene ya le to mo tambala tubabdu ima invite o ala process o man fellonje so bawo tubabo nyin nente senen tubabdu then I evidence will be so tele like na process o tata nyame po enten soti nda du ngal na ta tubabdu na dile nda ngalo nga kayti nya dile so pour kana tubab ndela evidence will be dembulle so sa tubabo nye evidence will di ala aya fa nyin kayti karata ta wala birabi ta nyin flight kara wala ta so pintindela nda na ta nyame tubabdu nda ngolon ndema nyin tubabo bente ko la luminante be do wala birinte jitalo nga tek tangi ni tajumalete so no tubabo lo tabbi bari soti yalon ku jamale be nyin ku kono alama ala yam fula mo
okay mbatu nga nyin tandila maike nyin post because nyin tekela nu fenti jam mbatu nga tandila then you have to comment on this. You cannot say that you cannot comment on this. Nyin maike ko tele nyin senay sira
soti nyimbe nyamen tenti ne nyin jibe hakilimade mafo momi man hakilo soto bari momo ye hakilo soto nyin message o jibabe nyamen yalo ititala ita nyin tala dro ya screenshot ya zoom na ya screenshot iko mole karle nyin kinye understand ning aya tarantela nga nyin kiyaye wota nyin tala e full fenko bondi komen ay message ko min post da inya wajala be nyame mi o kiya ya jelo be nyame ala natalo finti tale ala everything ni aje kan no kamari le aka wala ya bari nyin ibe la no mo be la no nyin na nyaadi am 100% so ne mol min be dume ka futi ka fa teta ba ma post teta te post because wol dol be kumbare nente binta tubab du nyame wol dol la salon nente binta tubab du nyame for a very long time bari ma lon na ta nyame so bire nyin tubaboje 2022 because like I told you nyin manke bidi nyin ka biri 2022 lon ka nyin min be fote nyin manke serum kuti amanke nyinan kuti amanke 2023 kuti nyin mu 2024 kuleti bari tubabo nyin na ta mol le soto like aka mol communicate Gambia ani ka diam wo mol na ta fa ko ta internet auto yete ba ma post ya ba ma post ala sister post afo itele asamba tubabdu you understand afo ngobu ngole loye tubabo nyin findi tele ba tubabo mantara amantara ka diamu asawola mon ne be diamu kan tubabo la voice so tubabo ntende mon ne be diamu because mon le a program ya samana ika ko taye nyin and I have all my evidence. You understand? So wala yatin na mandimi ngajele ko ni moye dangi ka wala kele nga duwa barakola kabirin di musu ko binke alama ale abe barako man na musula amanna kela ni ale min baraka
sire nyaba nyim fenke dola la ko the family work with Jalang, that is why they are cost
yeah nte to jabila ngamira ni mol kol na ma ko la wol ba jabile ne because ñing man kende ya ñin man kende ya mo kendo te ñin kela
okay
mo mi mol million tol long yem ba long yem fa long ya long tol bota damento hani min nyamata hani mi yebu wala do mo ite lole kon tol mu cristiano le te fan ko ka fu wol ka jala wala subhanallah
ngañindo jube bang ako message from Buba Cisse. The cause of all this nonsense is not about you or your family, but it started inside the compound. They are the I stayed in that compound with them, but there is a reason why I left my father's to other compound for 1 year, some months, and later decided to go to my mother in the provinces area, where I'm staying my own family. I have happy family here with me. So ni mi koto malti ka fo mi e Buba Cisse. So Buba Cisse wala ni so tabo ni aya so ko ni manke ni fente. Ite ni Buba Cisse den ta falla. Kodi.
Be fakin.
Albe fakin. So muna na Buba Cisse kanyi sa fe ni komi ko altole bo so flakon la be altole.
Tabora mi tumbuka shoti moy. Ibe mi utlale.
Okay.
Mute.
Munatina Buba Cisse nyin sefe mi yalon ko ite na tele bota fakiling.
Allahu alam shoti atele yalon the reason why aya safe bardu momo min ke alama ale jowale nte jam fadola la kut alama ale mbejo nangani la momo le fana mude alama ale mbejo nangani.
Okay. So, but akamta ko Mike lafte altol na la family dundi la nyolal.
Madam Bafola, Mike lafta family dundi la nyolal. Bari du, so tinte jampala no je bati. Alama ale mbejo nangani la momo le fana mude. Alama ale mbejo nangani.
So, but coming buba in means if a Mike attending Sira, can you answer more? Tonyalo nyunku moti bang fo?
Ngo, Sudi. Sudi.
Nam, mbe mo ikane, tabor.
Tabora long, you know.
Ha, mbe mo ikane.
Ngo, buba kan yimi for thing like buba, name buba than the fall, understand.
Ha.
Yeah, but buba kan yimi for thing coming until based like, 1 year. So, alakumo nyata mo because sama message yonje ya fa mbala la repeating yaba.
The cause of all this nonsense coming out of Benjamin Bela tenting, coming scamming Minna tenting. The cause of all this nonsense is not about you or your family, but it starts inside the compound. According to Kuma Statola compound, they are at Fulakunda. Did you know that I stayed in that compound with them? But there is a reason why I left my father's. Atata for 1 year, I believe in J, and some months, Abota J, Atata Abamaya. Tabora la network ko mambeti ambadi ngon nin tabora la line to kotenke tabora na tamurun nanne the same for si no le banade ala yalo. Okay, tabora ma mol selendila nanne janne nyunu bina ni nata den ali mute rek yame ni nata drong ali mute bari alim bala le na nyim futandi.
You have no evidence that Tabora was asking money from you. Because I asked you all this, you cannot give. You said there's, you will not show anything. So this is my last what I will tell you. So anything you want to tell me, you tell me now. So we call it a night because you used me, but I thank God, no problem.
No, you didn't use me. I would never say you used me because you're a good man.
No, because you used me. You used me.
No. Let me talk. You don't let me talk. Let me finish my sentence.
Okay.
I will never say you used me because we were working together. Because let me say something to you. I have the trumps in my hands now. I have the trumps in my head. I don't need to talk to you. I'm just talking to you in consideration that you are my colleague.
Even me, I don't need to talk to you.
Let me talk. Please don't interrupt me. I'm talking to you because you're a good man, because you're intelligent, and because you know a lot.
Somebody I actually
think it's better now that I let me talk. You don't let me talk. Let me finish.
Somebody jar record, Mike coming from Telacode. Nkai malaf kadiami Mike. Nkai malaf kadiami lamwe.
Finish my sentence.
Okay.
I will never say you used me because we were working together. Because let me say something to you. I have the trumps in my hands now. I have the trumps in my head. I don't need to talk to you. I'm just talking to you in consideration that you are my colleague.
Even me, I don't need to talk to you.
Let me talk. Please don't interrupt me. I'm talking to you because you're a good man, because you're intelligent, and because you know a lot. But I actually think it's better now that I will never say you used me because we were working together. Because let me say something to you. I have the trumps in my hands now. I have the trumps in my head. I don't need to talk to you.
Say that again.
I'm just talking to you in consideration that you are my colleague.
Even me, I don't need to talk to you.
Let me talk. Please don't interrupt me.
Mike, say that again.
I'm talking to you because you're a good man, because you're intelligent, and because you know a lot. But I actually think it's better now that I want really to see what's going on Wednesday, and the world is going to be watching this.
Okay.
And I want you, and I'm just one thing, don't interrupt me. I wish you as a man, that you conduct that live show, and you know that I have on your WhatsApp Kutubu saying his brother is a gay, Kutubu saying his brother is a liar. I tell you, as you conducted the live, I wish you to tell the truth as you told me from the beginning. No one is going to fool you. That's all I need. And she said you sent her, she talked to you 3 days, and that you were crying, and that you sent her 650 euros for nothing, just for a present. The one that's introduced as a gay is sending to a girl, and they're getting 650 for nothing. Do you think gummies are going to...
For your brother, and if I give it to you, I have to give it to you because you are his sister. But now I'm asking you, why did you send her the 650? Why? What is the reason?
Why don't you ask her? Why don't you ask her? Why don't you...
She said, I asked her, she said, you send her the money, and she asked you, why do you send me this money, Mr. Mike? Wait. She asked you, why do you send me this money? You said, yes, I was doing it for your brother, and if I give it to you, I have to give it to you because you are his sister, and I love your brother so much. Anything I do for you, I do it for your brother. So now you said that is not true. What is the truth? Why do you send her the money?
Stick to her story.
No. Can you tell me? No, but you have to. No. You have to be fair with me. Why do you? Okay. Good night. Thank you. No problem. Good night. Okay. The journalist can go to hell. You are not talking to the journalist. You are talking to me. The journalist can fuck off.
You hear something? I don't joke, huh? Me never money need it. You can go fuck yourself with the gun. I'll tell you. I like myself. I like myself. Don't joke me, sorry.
She asked you, why do you send me this money? You said, yes, I was doing it for your brother, and if I give it to you, I have to give it to you because you are his sister, and I love your brother so much. Anything I do for you, I do it for your brother. So now you said that is not true. What is the truth? Why do you send her the money?
No. Stick to her story.
No. Can you tell me? No, but you have to. No. You have to be fair with me. Why do you? Okay. Good night. Thank you. No problem. The journalist can go to hell. You are not talking to the journalist. You are talking to me.
Sorry.
The journalist can fuck off. Wait. The journalist can fuck off. I don't care what you tell the journalist. I'm asking you.
No, she's saying the truth.
No problem. That's your say.
And becomes beautiful. She's saying that. Very simple. Because this is not relevant.
It's very relevant. If you say the truth is relevant.
For me, it's not. Is it for you?
The truth make you free, you know.
Yes, it does. It does, because the ones that are lying are to him.
But why do you send her the money? Why do you send her the money?
Because she told you.
Why?
I agree with her.
Why do you send?
I want you to give her the money because she's a beautiful lady. She's a beautiful lady.
Why?
You want to buy her.
But you never see her.
I make video calls with her. She used to make a lot of video calls with me.
She used to make lots of video calls with you?
Yes, of course.
Wow.
Somebody any more locally left sira non di janne so alim bala rek jay clear, you know.
But I don't answer that.
She's saying the truth.
She's
saying the truth.
No problem. That's your
I just sent her the money because I love Tabora. I was in love with Tabora. I wanted to make her happy that she goes.
Aliamu, I was in love with Tabora. I was in love with Tabora.
Listen,
No, but you have to. No. You have to be fair with me. Why do you? Okay. Good night. Thank you. No problem. Good night.
I said to the
Okay.
journalist.
The journalist can go to hell. You are not talking to the journalist. You are talking to me. The journalist can fuck off. Wait. The journalist can fuck off. I don't. Yeah, I don't care what you tell the journalist. I'm asking you.
No, she's saying the truth.
No problem. That's your.
Yeah, but she's saying the truth.
I was in love with Tabora. I wanted to make her happy that she goes and makes and becomes a beautiful woman. She's saying that. Very simple. Because this is not relevant.
It's very relevant. If you say the truth is relevant.
For me, it's not. Is it for you?
The truth will make you free. You know.
Good. Yes, it does. It does, because the ones that are lying are to him.
But why do you send her the money? Why do you send her the money?
Because she told you.
Yeah, but she told you.
With her.
Why do you
because
send?
Because I wanted to give her the money because she's a beautiful lady. She's a beautiful lady.
Why?
Because she's a beautiful lady.
But you never seen her. How do you know that she's beautiful?
Okay.
Well, I make video calls with her. She used to make a lot of video calls with me.
She used to make lots of video calls with you?
Oh, yes, of course.
Wow. That's strange. That's strange.
Yeah, I find it strange too. I agree with you. That's really strange. A gay man has ever...
Okay.
So the grandmother, I go ahead because she is beautiful.
Yes. Yes, Budaba.
That is very
okay,
good.
I'll like 2 minutes. Kana lafa jilal nak nguba badara la.
Monday tanga ji sense. Sira batulo sira hara yana kasi su fara ñu nekk ci ko ñu. Ci ko re man ba wacc ma nekk ci suuf balal. Dara ñu nekk ci ko re ñu starté ko ci ko re ñun ñëpp dañ busy.
Waaw momo la fa momo be korontori de ki ci tano no problem. Mo jama la di famille.
Légui nak Kingstar.
Saudi.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. I got $1 million questions, like a lot of questions, but I will try to dwindle it down a little bit. First of all, we want to know where this Mike comes from. Has he ever been to the Gambia? And has he ever physically met this Tabora guy? Like, what is all the allegations about? Because this story sounds so complicated, you understand? And kind of mixed up.
Yeah, it's very confusing. That's why I want to bring Tabora here to talk. But if people want to hear he answered all these questions you asked. He answered it. But I think people want to talk, that's why. But he answered all these questions. Because if I say it, they will say this is what is what. But the man himself answered all these questions. Maybe I can play it. Wait.
Because you're
okay, wait. I want
to know who's going to say the fellow is a liar.
Yeah, I want to ask you. Did you give Tabora money to build house for his parents? Like, I mean, how much did you give? How much was it?
I think I sent him maybe 15,000. I might have said it was 40-something thousand.
To build a house in the
family. To build a room, not a house, a room, 2 rooms.
Yeah, man. Somebody go house. He said 2 rooms. Listen very carefully.
It was 40-something thousand.
To build a house in the family.
To build a room.
12,000, 15,000 the Gambian dollars or European.
But $47,000 cannot even build a fence.
Pause for a second, Saudi.
7,000. No, I'm telling you, 42,000, 43.
No, that's what I mean.
I have to look at.
That's what I'm telling you. 43,000.
A room, you cannot build a room. You cannot build a room.
He cannot build even a fence for you.
A fence, 40,000.
42,000.
Then he scammed me. Oh, okay, he scammed me.
No, I'm telling you.
No. Because if I sent him money, he said to me that he could build a room for his father because he's Senegalese. His sisters, Fatoumata, is married to Senegalese who work in construction, and that they were going to pay him maybe $13,000 each, and then he needed to buy the materials, which was bricks and corrugate tiles and roof and everything. And I said, "Oh, are you going to make it?" Yeah, I'm going to make it. And then
Because you said the only
because
thing,
you cannot
he said the only thing you help him with is his door. His own room door was spoiled, and you bought him the door. It's only that.
So King, you can talk.
You know, for me is basically because I've listened to some of his videos on his page. You know, like most of it is about allegations of Tabora and Fulakunda, like scamming him, taking advantage of him and all that. Okay, but I'm pretty sure you have a lot of people that wants to get to the bottom of this. Like, what's the main problem basically? Why is he saying that? You know, it's like, oh, because you are also accusing him of being a, you know, Golf Alpha Yankee. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. You understand? So, bro, shit is so confusing right now. Nobody knows what's going on. So maybe just a quick recap. You know, what the fuck is wrong, bro?
I don't know. I don't really know, because today he will tell me he's that Buddha, but then after he will say no, then later he will come back to me, yes, I'm Buddha. If I don't tell you I'm Buddha, how can you know that this man is a Buddha? You know, so he's confusing everything.
Okay, so bro, here's the thing.
Yeah, he said he have evidence of everything, but later he don't even know what kind of evidence he has. He will say no. If you listen to these audios, if people listen to these audios, they will know the truth, because he said everything loud and clear. He never gave 15,000. He will say that he never gave it because there is no receipt for it, because he never sent it. He will talk about football. Okay. I was helping football. Look. I was helping this.
Sauti, hold on. Sorry to interject. Okay, sorry. We know that, you know, he might probably be speculator.
People are asking you, what is Buddha?
Buddha. Come on, you know what Buddha is. Come on, everybody knows that. You know, that's not the topic right now. Thunder fire you, Sauti, for saying that, you know, because you know that I like Buddha. You know? But so here's the thing, brother, you know, like, the question here is, because a lot of people are accusing him of being a PDF. You know what a PDF is?
Yeah.
PDF failure. I don't want to use the word because of TikTok.
Yeah,
but the thing is, has he ever met Tabora physically? Has he ever, do you have any evidence of him, you know, being with a minor, you know, a record or anything to you understand, to justify him being a PDF or something?
What I can say here is, he has confessed here that he been with more than 1,000 Gambian men. And what I can confirm to you, he sent me videos of Gambian men naked. They are putting their hand in their muti, you know, and they are opening their, like, they are doing like this, like video inside there.
Wait, what? What?
Yeah, I have videos here. He sent me. Mike sent me. Police are there, army, military in there.
Bro, how is that possible if he has never been to the Gambia? Or these are just ordinary videos without him, or are they like
videos men like you from Gambia in your uniform, army uniform, military uniform.
Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you for saying that, bro.
No, bro, this is not laughing matter. This is very serious. If you see those videos, you will cry. Billahi wa tell Gambians doing that for a white man. And I have pictures of him, not a video, pictures of him. He's also showing his Bangal bar, you know?
Bangal what? What the hell is that?
Bala mane dogo masa wade barki de ba zigi mung don interview bena xale bobu tamit police la koku police la affaire gay moma tubabam bi so hanga moy tubabi faraw yoy no mistake ret jël video bi resten ko boy bi bum sene video yeb boy bi xam nga ñu confirm ne comme police la so gaay ñu xam ne boy bi mu ngi video ak fonante bi sey bi nonu gaay jël téye boy bi nangu téléphone am ci loxom ba paré téye ko di ko traité di ko door te ñu ne police la de
ma ngi amé bobu yeb fi mu
okay so fu mu nekk ni mburu fam ko fariñ
so yo nga ne amlo luy Bangal ba may fula man
boy sorry
bro
big sa tay from Bangal ba
no Bangal ba to fu no la jande de malu mi Bangal ba dafa dem mo la
so xam nga luy dementia
yeah I know
xam nga ne Mike dafa am dementia
I think so. I think
waaw dafa am dementia because sometimes doo dee gis nu mu dee waxee
yeah.
dafa dementia.
KBD, this is a good question. So my question is, if somebody has dementia, that means the person is mentally incapable, like he has some sort of a psychological problem, right?
Exactly.
But then why are we taking him serious?
Yeah, but Africa, they don't know what is dementia.
He got a mental problem, so that means he's abnormal.
Obviously.
No, but Kinje, we take that as a speculation because he said he's not having anything more than cancer. So
if I tell you 100%, this guy have a dementia. Yeah.
That is a speculation because of his actions.
Yeah.
But now we give. Do you have Kinje? Do you have more questions because there's a lot of people down there?
No, I'm gonna let other people speak.
Okay. Tima, you can send Tima, you can come up. Bricks, yes, Bricks.
Okay. Anyway, being I'm well member caring and na sister fanan coming for them KB yala model be need yamuta through their voice or whatever they are saying if kana ko ning sasa sifa be nyin I understand but ning ke ku jamal le mix nyoko no mi yalon ko kabete eta nita manyin fintindi no people will not even know because mo audio bi dakan blatole andum fanan ngani ngela video jamal da gambeno le kata je da ba fly you are right I'm very sorry don't be a number phone text like pour isa jaay tol contact you understand ne so ntol mo fingol problem bala ben tol bulo ntol
me kuntude first time ngala video la moy doron straight away bra ko nyoko I adopt him as my son straight away I know bam ke wudelen.
Yeah.
Because one time benum bir kamale wait I give you the story. One time benum bir kamale nkata jele because nga boys bir kamal lonne ya understand those are my friends. Anyway matu nga for wolof. Xam nga am na ñu nga xam ne dama leen xam bir kama ñoom ñëpp loolu la gaay dee def waaye nekku ne comme loolu lañ de waaye ñoom dañ ko dee def comme scam. So dañ la dee mun a dem jël vidéo Google site ni vidéo ko ni xam nga suñ ko jëlee Google site ni after nga gis ñu seen ko tubaab bi di wax tubaab bi ne ñoom loolu lañ so nga gis tubaab bi di leen yónnee xaalis waaye ñoom ñu bari nag nekkul loolu so léegi taami mit bi su jotee di nga lekka xaalis si tubaab bi lekka ko de waaye léegi taami mit bi su jotee nag time boobu mun a benke ñenke xam naa booy bi loolu lam ko def daf ko lekka comme nangu na ne moom loolu la man loolu 100% xam naa ne booy bi accept na affaire góor jigéen bi
waaw wala sister be min fogante
Daka boy dan no diklu.
I believe ko soti ñol fango soti ñi ale video do so de ñimbulwa amma bala maybe police will tell because Gambia
man xamna ne
ya Gambia
xamna ne boy bi accept na ko pour gañu nekka xaaral rek xamna ne boy bi accept na ko pour gañu nekka waaye boy bi defut ko pour yefi mom góor jigéen la daf ko def pour scam ko so léegi time bu gaay wara bi tante nak pour di sante nak si la ko boy bi génna.
Thank you.
No.
Because
okay. So many laugh la yeah. Coming so
tricota boy birkama yeb how ma ñeneen góor jigéen de waaye tricota boy birkama yeb game boobu leen def dañ de am seen jàngay yaa understand sometimes seen jàngay tam dañ de mën a aat comme jigéen tu jigéen loolu rek pour lekka gaay ak yooyu noonu waaye ñu bari duñ si dee nekka loolu ñu dee nekka si loolu nag ñoo dee dem tasee gaay Sénégal boo déggee ne boy bi dem na Sénégal rek mu ngi dem tasee partenaire bi foofu noonu ñeneen ne dañ ko dee def na pour gaay nekka continuer ñeneen ni nag duñ dee nangu nekka waaye tricota bi nag ñi ma xam biir kaama gaay duñ dee nekka gaay dañ leen dee nax jaral la ñu dem ba Google su demee Google screen record comme waaw dañ dee dem ba Google screen record nude picture suñ ko screen recordé léegi kooku dafa foog ne boy bi la fekk nekkul boy bi de boy bi moo dem Google dem jël screen record vidéo yooyu noonu comme góor yi luñ dee def ñu seen ko gaay léegi yow nag kooku dafa foog ne nag moom la fekk nekkul moom.
Sister Kebi malon ko soti nyinga nyemba min foka fay mala wo time on bo fo min fonun ako wo time on aka different from ko la ki tubabo nyi I think aka different picture la ki no but so tubabo ya realize la ko wo man ka bo nyinti ay dol bije o video battle bol man ka gambe nol fangol
yeah, that from Google because I witnessed it many Google. Times the boys are
wala mili alon ko foni be diamo kande yalon ko e ka sura kan fo wala ka mande ka kangol fo fode
la fa jele fo lan dol video bamu o man ka Google tide
so some there are some Google yeah also sort of no anyway but yeah
so some can be Google if I tell you believe me dol anila bala jato ka sa skim be ne ka bena
no
ya hamulo boy den smart de
luñ am lolu du Google
okay so de da ngeen am full face mom moy lolu uniform bi
ko yalla
ngi dugal loxo bi ñu ngi dugal bouteille lolu du Google de
so ila sade mo ko yeso video
brother soti molbe laylatul hadle tole ngadiam tariya nga tasal
wala
mari yalo batu brother na ton man side nafta ka caution de jijandrong ñing ko mon ka fo mun scam al nga bonni na vocabulary to because ñi mo mutual benefit leti ya understand le mo kana mo batan bijak parce que ite mun ke wudeti ite lafta mumbe jindila itate yeko do kiyae so saindu
wala
ko nga bondi jana dro nga bondi jana ngalandi karala nga diam tar yake nga lawato sida jumala next
anyway do
mental issue ni bala so coming ko kam faale ba to doron dinno yala ko do domo amon dinno soto dinno felata to ko masilola sa to dinno fa dola ko tanke ata access soto no la wala tinna so abe kam faale wala sala ni la family la tala ka destroy doron bare tol gambia non tol nyanta kunin na doron nyaay la bare gambia no tonya amake gambia no dam matide africa no fam so horta ngani jaw yala bari atayama fo tubabo nyindi no million ale do tubabo bulo kono tubabo jibaka aka kodol min mention ka fo 600 euro is nothing in Gambia. It's nothing in Gambia.
Ako kono flate wolo 43,000 nka ko hanu fenso fo buka fenso bill
43,000 wasa bungolo Gambia.
So di majila duma mbe nyoma ya.
Okay.
Majila duma do chika wa mbe nyoma.
Nte di moment nga ala diamo conversation ya nimi diamo long diamo ibika nyimi ikela mo yala le tulo yele la moy. Bare tol ka korontore ka dun ka mota ka suku ibe fangwe ndeysan fenkata kunun kabinga nyim famu ka bismillahir rahmanir rahim fa be fenka ba fatanki so abako woto la ngan ko nyim tuba ba wuli yalla ako mi ngom fa ba wuli yalla abem wuli ya kan sawta lafto wandi di wala tono ndela doron kamba ko miya ama dina ko min ka accept la as a gay dinni woni ite dinni merango yena na ko do ta ya tilingala as a young boy amantara do ku data amantara fengo fenna ite be 600 euro kila 700 euro niyo tawo ki dinno munana dinno ta mutala hande dinno mala fika ke geti baraba do mala le ni mi ko do ki akoy ko hin ye ke jinti ina mantara nyoka munana ta akela aba akela ko do tonya ko do foro yamandiya de ko do foro yamandiya kilin mile ko do foro yalo bare kiyano ko min ko Gambia be dal
a manipulative tabakele a manipulate ala fo le kelantela bari nde fo ngam fo bula bulle nga bula kam play because la family play along so la na besa da
ntol Gambiano we believe tubabs too much tonya tubab ke obe mbulo kono nyaawo nya bare do bi they believe tubab too much hani ila ta tubabol fo dine ibama fo fam ibi ko long fani tata industry shooting ni ku yakala filanta fala ko sagoro ko bi men bijo kan nyak sunkutol fam woti fan ni be diam nyak ni sunkutol fa bi ke dan ku fan ani tuba bo siri tuba pa bi rim fan kon hakilo kono ko nte ke ma wol fam gena yonta ite ke ila ni tuba bo fan fon ko bi ke dan ku do bi je ke nyal fan ku ya fan sako ni tu ya je tuba bo be jibe ka ike nyaabe ku ya nyoko ko hakilo ko ndeysan ni be nyul la sate to muti falela ni nata Gambia jay ke fanke ko min ko man sakke balam man fen ko langiti pour que diam ita mari fa ko sonna diamule nasara mu hadama dingol to komite mu hadama dingol nyawanya kola damma wala fata bare tubabo ya je fayita ka ko men kala ake joy ya mutale ntol nyenta wala lon nam fon man kay jongati fota nyawanya man fen soto nyawanya but na dignity nga wosotale but ntol mo fin kunda na dignity lose talal too much Lostala too much. Fuaria man better. Alma motankala fuaria la suti. Fuaria mu masibolti billahi wallahi tallahi. Fuaria dimin sagora Gambia sign. Gambia dimin talde suti. Gambia dimin tabakela fam. Billahi wallahi tallahi. Alma ala ya soni.
Ndakada nyanda kada jami ngol da suda sar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Jabi.
So diga ba ne ko yokule ne ko ndanga ko ndon. Ko men de ko mum fula ko kan sabaka do man ndorom. Komi ni moni mo nyola fanna fulbe lamay wala somebody nala ma bi wakata akato to kolle ana diamuta ba sami ga samay fekk fana kolle ni boni tabora ana ko fana kol ko ni nin ka kuma kesona to mu fay ni fane fana ya fana ko fana ni ka fana mu fay ay si atendeng bi Allah kila ko ni moni mo be nyola fanna fulbe lamay de bara mo kino kuma kan kana kijo kundo kuma kono kana ki kila masuma sallallahu alaihi wasallam ni moni mo be nyola mo fe be nyola tayta fanna fulbe lamay tu ni ala moy to nya munti keso mumbulu ina ay findi misuma fa misil mole bare mo kila lamay dron ina tizo ko lay photo ibe ko kan fola askeno we mu fu askeno tunyati askeno porque dunia kono bi fitno fanna be tu fitno da beto Allah kila ko annasu kulluhum yakafuna bil fakir kila afu ako mobe bisani fakara tu mobe tu ako mobe tu abesani men fakaria mama ya kanda foya comme fakaria mama ya annasu kulluhum yakafuna bil fakir kila afu Allah kila ko al dunya ako des ako dina ko nda fen dina ko nda ako fas fitino anin albala الدنيا لم يبقى من الدنيا إلا بلاء وفتنة كلا عفو الدنيا لم يبقى إلا بلاء وفتنة الدنيا سايم ماتين كلا كو فين ديان سايم فتنة لهم أنا البلاء ودنا كون بي فتنة أنا البلاء ودنا كون بي فتنة لا بلو تو ني فتنة كينين ألف نافلو لامي أنا فتنة أنا ممكن كان أنا مفلو يكيد وتي أنا دو أسكنو أما مسو مفكر كافة جاكو سيراكو sama dem fama ya fam sama dem abada adanka so ala hakudu kuma la hakudu ni fitu kedi dulato ala ni kiskisoke fanna fulo bela ala fitu ala kiso fo ngole ni ko tan sai kuma kama funtu mu ngul sai mba nako ni kare mu volon to yata ni dem fo ngul yata bar mo kila kuma kan dolo ekidi wuti ino tinyoti be kuma kan fanyo kono o man fa soto do ko mbola be do ko mundi kan man fa soto
ila ko mo nyata won to nyaati no wala nante murunda tubabo kan na tubabo mo nyi abanda so ta nata ngaple I mean for you know so nanyu last side of the story moile and ngum boyta da yeah
good so the always good wala mtinu mfonti name insafu wala mtinu mti ye fanna fule be lamoy kana la mokal yitin katti mum foda yebe lamoy ni mbolo mum yakari itela boyta parce que ñu ko teng
abaraka baaki jaabi ko nanko abaraka ustaz ni won dem be sila jam fo somanda abaraka baaki songo gambe yes you can come but tima meji iko ngita I don't
sorry thank you so much abaraka baaki
mbuge moyde ila headphone be tu dara gudi pin ko dato
so di kamoy sai
yudi pin ko mbuge moyde
so di kamoy sai ba kamoy
no ela headphone o bonni boy Mamadou Sabal lo headphone expiring ay o jika yete so wala
ko kay plus kay kamoy sai ba
ngemo de demandi
abe jam farin ala voice be jam farin
no sa yalo kabri Sabal ka bo UDP aya sala ala o fen ko expiring wala o soni
tenku nga mic la ko fo tenku baka boyo
ako kono bayo
Kendo
ngemo le diam teri ma kendo diam
anyway I mean I think you move through the understand what exactly mean the story What happens is good boy.
Kasongo sabali ngamre tenda kajiri na murunna because itala Michael.
Buke moy baake de malo mo dem.
No duma andolmi metandon ka moyle but duma mole fongo buke moyji.
Exactly.
Tay na murunna. Okay, ite bimba bala dia sister.
Baby girl, soti womun dingolete. Khadija.
Okay. Okay.
Ndingo ngoro ma dingole.
Okay. Khadija se diamno.
Aja ma dia.
Alaikum, Albenyadi.
Bijandro.
I left them like some things. I feel like they were not explained properly. Left them call like clear out. Now when Albena Africa about our citizenship, famo born and all that. Left them come clear. Not everyone born in the United States qualified for the birthright citizenship. If like he worked internationally, a diplomat or something like that. Even even if he was born in the U.S.
Sorry, astagfirullah, mesunkaro kono. Ako afama dunia be kono afama kataraja tata Sweden tata Saudi Arabia tata Laos da. So bari I passport minta ninkala video call na I wala ke akala video call ket nte market akonga mbalo biti na dia video call. Malo punya banyak kanula malo. Saya pasoro minta nina. I upload cover dulal dotole. Ya keje Maryland, bad place. Ya keje Maryland, USA.
No. Baby girl, kadi aja mama.
No.
So to left I want to clarify lele. No US passport. Ikela bad place keje.
I was gonna say that. I was gonna be like, that's true.
No US passport.
Passport page because I'm like, am I
exactly? I have my US passport for over 25 years. There is no place on the US passport. Ikela bad state for the KJ. The Ibuka state mentioned. Ibuka state mentioned. Ikakele doro United States of America.
Kasa akleani na lerde.
Dina leer ako Bethesda Maryland abota woto just the next city from you guys.
It's never gonna say that on your passport.
It never mentioned the state. It never mentioned like for us that naturalize. It will say your birthplace. The bad place, the Gambia.
Yeah, even
bad country,
Germany for
bad country, the Gambia. But a passport, I'm a United States citizen. They don't put any state.
Right. Either way, even if he was born here, as long as his parents are here on the diplomat passports, he does not qualify for birthright citizenship.
No, he's not a birthright citizen. He's a naturalized citizen.
Doesn't even sound like it. And also, FBI does operate internationally in some sense. They work with other countries, like it can work with Interpol and other places. So they are able to work there, and you don't need to be a U.S. citizen for them to go after you. If you commit crimes while you're in the United States, without being a U.S. citizen, and it's
Khadija. Before I saw this, should I show this? Have I right to show it or not?
What's that? Sure.
His private information doesn't show.
But so the can I not document for them, you know?
Ala passport or me?
No.
No, Amanjeri Bondi because in told them Amanke American Otijan. Konga nyimbe Khadija membe diamola kuto madi ngole. So, but United States passport.
Allah passport or jelly Islam. Aka jelly yes is it?
The adults, you have an option. If you want to take 5 years, you do. If you want to take 10, because it's the same fee.
Yeah, Germany for Germany.
Dindingo under 18 every 5 years because the features you can change.
Price on you different. Do be €70, 10 years standing Germany.
Allah passport bala. Mine bije kunola bije banfo.
Yeah, the eagle.
It's the eagle, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay. So jang yemin ke jang bijan ne malo muna ne Maryland ke jang de Maryland USA.
No. It's not actually na passport of it because never na Gambia kunun kole man na bagage passport o mabo follow. Let me just confirm the fembo kunoni.
Igulol baba bari yamin ke jang walam just before the issuing date and expiring date lando bige yakeje Maryland.
But anyway, Bakabo, never blood sorry. So Ninka do Konyata, Yemenke, definitely I'm so happy.
So I told you better Yalon Santo in the United States Sekelaje, Soti. Santo, United States of America better.
Abuloka Tolekan, and I blew bail and the family bacon the Santo. So near I order Martin in Nani.
Ilamo is Santo. Ibakreje United States of America eagle nyinkono then flago nyi natalo katara at the back then at the formula natalo betala on the left yakeje USA yalo United States spell on the other side to the left akmo sando ya USA keje then passport rola no beta ibakreje P USA then passport number
US pass le babulu tenting
ha then iba konton keje ya to keje then yana safe ko take United States. Then yala bande keje then woduma place of birth ndeta yakeje the Gambia because nguluta woleto so maybe at a tato yake wolto Maryland maybe niaje ya Maryland keje because ala parents or mu foreign national let
okay yeah